Okay, so today we are doing a little video for the LM30. It's a Lumbermate LM30 sawmill. Right now we are doing the toe boards. We got two of them that go with our sawmill, and I need to get a hold of Norwood, talk to him about a piece that might be missing. We did a quick inventory today. So I got my assistant, Mr. Swisher here. We're going to be putting together this toe board. Here's a picture of the instruction sheet that came with it. So yeah, we're going to be putting two of those together. But this is the first one. So stay tuned. Right now, the stuff is looking really good. It's really heavy duty, and we'll get it going. All right, so we got our bag of nuts and bolts put out here. Again, pretty heavy duty stuff. So, and the instructions are relatively simple. Basically, you look at a picture and put it together. That is it. That is how you put it together. There is no step one, any of that. It's just pictures of how they're supposed to look. Oh, yep, that's where we're at. So we're starting to put it together. Mm-hmm.
These two?
Yeah. You got the nylon ones there, Pops?
I don't know.
Nylon? Nylon. Yep. Yep. It's always good to check because some of these don't have nylon inserts in them. Some do. So it's always good to look at the part list and make sure you double check. Make sure you put them on there right. Very important. These are grade 8 bolts that we're putting on, and this basically what is going to attach on the instruction sheet. We're putting on these, and this is the T where the rollers are. This is going to be a jack. Here's your jack. All right, got those in?
I just got them.
Okay, going on to the next step here, we're going to be making the sandwich here. What kind of Loctite are you using?
Blue 242 thread locker.
That's right, that's the removable kind. Okay, and just like that with the magic of television, we are back at it. Okay, we got the Loctite out of the package. All right, sir. So
Okay.
I'll just video you doing your magic.
All right.
So right now what we're doing is we're putting the layers together to where the roller will slide down into, and be able to move up and down with the jack so it can get your logs where you want them. I think that's a little better this way. They do provide 4 little shims here. We're going to see if we need that many. The instructions just show you putting 1 on there. Got some nice yellow camera or lighting in this room today. We were out in the garage, but that is so packed full of boxes and parts that we decided to come. You're missing all your stuff here, bud. All your stuff is in there.
Yeah, I see that now.
So we decided to come in here to the dining room. And we'll do some more tomorrow. We're back. So I had to go and kind of remount the hole here. It was had some debris in there, I assume from the welds that fell into the hole here. So all I did was just take another bolt that I got in my toolbox and just reamed it out, since all my files are out at the homestead. So. All right, so we got our first one done, and a little learning curve on how things operate, but we got her. Dad, give me your thoughts on it. How's it looking?
I think it looks lovely. And you talk about being hard, not to put together, but the weight of it is amazing. Very heavy stuff.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Impressed.
It's a pretty thick metal, and like Dad said, the weight is. Yeah, no logs are going to be damaging this thing, I'll tell you that. Knock on wood. But yeah, everything's working good. The jack works. You can see the shaft there. Works good. Yeah, so what we got, like I said, we got 2 of these. We'll put them on the sawmill, and this will help get our logs up even and all that good stuff. So, all right. Well, we'll do another one, and we'll go ahead.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Yeah, and for myself and my help, Mr. Swisher here, we appreciate
And?
you. Yeah, and Mom, and even had Mary and Kai in the background today helping us out a little bit. All right, so thanks for watching. This is Eric and Jimmy with Absolute Alaska Family. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel so you can get further updates. Hit that bell icon. And yeah, well, thanks again.